Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm when I wake up. Get up. I get up after I turned off the alarm. Stretch. Then I stretch my arms. Wash. I wash my face with warm water. Have breakfast. I have a healthy breakfast every day. Put on. I put on my shoes. Comb hair. Before I go out, I should comb my hair. Take out the garbage. I take out the garbage every day. Clip nails. I clip my nails every week. Feed the dog. I feed the dog before going to school. Water the plants. My mother waters the plants in the greenhouse. Do the dishes. I do the dishes after lunch. Do the laundry. My father do the laundry on weekends. Take a shower. I take a shower every night. Get dressed. I get dressed immediately after taking a shower. Surf the internet. I surf the internet 1 hour every day. Sip. I sip my strawberry juice to feel refreshed. Have snacks. Sometimes I have snacks. Call. My friend calls me in the evenings. Drive. I driving to work some days. Take a taxi. I take a taxi to work every Monday. Commute. I commute by bus when I can't find a taxi. Work. I was busy and worked hard today. Meet. I'm meeting different people at my office every week. Take a break. I take a break to relax during the work. Type. I type reports fast. Exercise. Sometimes I exercise after work. Take a nap. I take a nap 3 p.m. every day. Make the bed. I make the bed every morning. Clean. We clean our home on weekends. Cook. My mother cooks delicious food for us. Have lunch. I have lunch with my family every day. Relax. I relax with watching a movie after lunch. Read. My parents are reading a book and a newspaper. Listen. I listen to music while walking. Watch. We watch movies together at night. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth before sleeping. Go to bed. I go to bed at 11 o'clock every night. Jog. I am jogging in the park with my parents on weekends. Meditate. She meditates to relax her mind. Shop. I am shopping for groceries with my son. Pay. I paid for the shopping. Hang out. I hang out with my friends at my house. Participate. I participated in a competition last week. Travel. I am traveling every month with my brother. Share. I share the photos I take on social media.